How to increase and decrease mic volume on Bloodstrike. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are looking for a way to adjust your microphone volume in Bloodstrike, then it's actually super simple. First of all, launch the Bloodstrike game on your device and wait for the main lobby screen to load. Once you're inside, go ahead and look for the gear icon at the top right corner and tap on it. Once you're inside the settings menu, click on Graphics and Audio from the left-hand side menu. Now go to Audio from the top option, and inside Audio, you will see the mic volume option under Voice. From here, you can adjust the mic volume by dragging the slider left or right. If you slide it towards the left, this will decrease the microphone volume. If you slide it towards the right, this will increase the microphone volume and you'll be able to sound louder and clearer to others. If you want to stay quieter, then you can decrease the volume and that's it. You can also tweak in the team chat volume by dragging the slider right next to team chat volume option, and right at the bottom you'll see the echo optimization setting. If you turn it on, then this will temporarily lower if other players are detected speaking while you are in the game. You can turn it on or off according to your preference from this page. So right there you have successfully learned how you can easily adjust your microphone volume in Bloodstrike game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.